हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एडवर्ब्स की। उसके लिए हम क्लास 7 बीबीसी क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट 67 सॉल्व करेंगे, दैट इज पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स। अगर आप इसके क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट 65, 66 और होमवर्क असाइनमेंट 29 देखना चाहते हैं तो उसकी वीडियो का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड किया है, आप वहां से जाके देख सकते हैं। क्लास 6, क्लास 7, क्लास 8 की बीबीसी की वर्कशीट का सॉल्यूशन की मैंने प्लेलिस्ट बनाई है, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप वहां पे जाके वो भी देख सकते हैं। A part रीड करेंगे। Rewrite the following sentences by inserting the words in bracket in the correct place। हमें ब्रैकेट में कुछ वर्ड्स गिवन है जिनका यूज हमें इन सेंटेंसेस में करना है और उनको करेक्ट प्लेस पे लिखना है। फर्स्ट, द प्लेन हैज लैंडेड। इसमें हमें जस्ट का यूज करना है, तो जस्ट का यूज करते हुए हम सेंटेंस अगर फॉर्म करेंगे तो करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा द प्लेन हैज जस्ट landed. Second, she was careful to notice the error enough। अब हमें इसमें enough का यूज करना है। इसका यूज हम करेंगे वर्ब के बाद। वो केयरफुल थी enough, she was careful enough to notice the error। Third, he went back home yesterday। only का यूज करना है हमें। इससे हम सेंटेंस बनाएंगे he went back home only yesterday। Next, fourth, he did not like our business clearly। Clearly, he did not like our business। Fifth, the princess was crying bitterly। The princess was crying bitterly। Sixth, Jasmine plays the piano well for her age, incredibly। Jasmine plays the piano incredibly well for her age। Seventh, she packed her suitcase carefully। She packed her suitcase carefully। There is somebody at home in the evenings। Always का यूज हमें करना है। There is always somebody at home in the evenings। Ninth, without treatment she will die, certainly। Without treatment she will certainly die। She is seen in public rarely or nowadays। She is rarely seen in public nowadays। She behaved at the party foolishly last night। She behaved foolishly at the party last night. 12th, the principal called the entire staff for emergency meeting yesterday suddenly. The principal suddenly called the entire staff for an emergency meeting yesterday. 13. We have to reach the office by 10. Usually. We usually have to reach the office by 10. 14. She was seen in the market center. Just. She was just seen in the market center. 15. He shall meet us in the park this evening. He shall meet us in the park this evening. He performed at the live debate badly last night. He performed badly at the live debate last night. B part, rewrite the following sentences by converting the underlined phrases into one-word adverbs. You may have to make some other changes too. First, the audience applauded the clown's performance in a generous manner. तो इस सेंटेंस को हम लिखेंगे The audience applauded the clown's performance generously. Second, by sheer luck, we got seats in the first row of the theatre. Luckily, we got seats in the first row of the theatre. Third, his answers to all the questions very clever. He answered all the questions cleverly. Fourth, India's population increases by 1 crore in a year. Answer, India's population increases by 1 crore annually. Fifth, on some occasions we got out on a field trip. Occasionally, we got out on a field trip. 6. Anna is doing her homework at this moment. Anna is doing her homework presently. 7. Take this medicine 2 times in a day. Take this medicine twice daily. 8. She deals with her daughter's tantrums in a firm manner. She deals with her daughter's tantrums firmly. 9th, handle the chinaware with care. Handle the chinaware carefully. 10th, it is surprising that all her answers are correct. Answer: surprisingly, all her answers are correct. C. Underline the correct option in the following sentences. First, Jasmine always smells sweet. Second, he looked quite sad after he lost the match. Third, this music sounds soothing to the ears. Fourth, the kid feels very happy to have the visitors at home. Fifth, the dish tasted bitter as it had got burnt.